love you. Give me a big kiss. Give me a big, 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 big kiss. Oh my God. Alexa. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2. Great.
This might answer your question. 123 is a 2008 comedy film starring Tushar Kapoor, Sunil Shetty, and Paresh Rawal. 3 strangers with the same name, Lakshmi Narayan, travel to Ponti with their tasks. Chaos ensues when they are mistaken for each other as they stay in the same hotel. The film is 2 hours and 15 minutes long. The movie has a rating of 5.4 out of 10 on IMDb based on around 3,000 votes.
Yummy. Carrots. Pumpkin. Grapefruit. Grapefruit. Pumpkin. Banana. Carrots. Pumpkin. Grape. 1, 2. Great. Alexa, what's for?
I missed something. Can you say it again?
Red butt chicken. Give me a big kiss. That's for the bar. That's for the bar. Girl, let's go in the cup. Alexa, 1, 2, ring. 1, 2, ring. Come on, baby. Don't growl. Don't growl it. Don't growl it. Don't growl. Give me a big kiss. Give me a big, 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 big kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a big, 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 big kiss. Alexa. Alright, I'm all to cold. Alexa. Alexa, or what's a parrot?
That was a funky one. Try asking me for a power fart. Or say random.
Alexa, shut up.
Alrighty.
Banana. A piece of banana. Call it. Alexa. What do you get? Right. Happy birthday to you. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Why? Give me a big kiss. I love you. I love you. Okay. Bye. Back to work.
Right, back to work.
Goodbye. Red butt chicken. Oh my God. Let's go to parrot. Let's go first. Boink, 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 boink. Alexa, or Alexa, what's that? A happy bird? Red butt chicken. Oh my God. Let's go up. Alexa, what's up? Look. Ready? 1, 1, 2, 1. Great. Let's go. Let's go. Boink. Boink. Alexa. Okay. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday. Woo! Alexa, what's the rain?
It probably won't rain today. There's only a 37% chance at 3 p.m.
Happy birthday to boink, 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 boink. Uh-oh, we got far. Whoop, whoop. Red butt chicken. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. When you go to the buck. Give me a big kiss. Give me a big, big
That does not fart. That's a lie.
Okay, let's go. Chicken. Ready? Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. What's the name of that? Boink. I see bird chicken. Whoop, whoop. Bird chicken. Whoop, whoop. Oh, why? Let's go, carrot. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
That was good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do it.
That farts. Up fart. So I come on. Ready? Bird. Bird is the word.
Bird is the word. I agree.
What's the brain? Now look up a bird. Show it. Happy birthday. Wee. I got it. Go growling. Took some fresh water. That's what's cool. And you go. Boink. Rip up again. Yeah, big kiss.
That was a big kiss.
Mwah.
Wow.
Alright, let's go. Here goes the pooper. Uh-oh, poopies. Poopies. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, poopies. Poop, poop. Now come over, girlfriend. Ready? Alright, go. Bye. Back to work. Bye. Bye. Alright, girlfriend. Uh-oh. Crazy parrot. Good girl. I'm silent. I'm Simon Buck Chicken. Uh-oh. 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 Give me a big kiss. Damn kiss.
You're full of big kisses today.
You want an apple? What's a lunch shower? I got some kiss. Want some brunch? Have to cook that. Uh-oh. Yes. Please. Poo. Please. Poo. Give me a big kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a big kiss. Alexa, what's the word? That parts. What part? You go home for lunch? Show it. I love red butt chicken. Girls stop chicken. Whoop whoop. Whip whip wah. Now come over this side. Don't growl it. Then it comes screaming. Terrible. It's terrible.
Alright, I'll be right back. I'll go get something to drink, okay? I'll be right back. Behave.